Alright, today we're going to be servicing this reach-in cooler. It's showing symptoms of either low refrigerant charge or a clogged up capillary tube. Here's the service ports, one here and then one in there by the filter dryer. So we're going to have to put taps on these, recover the gas, we're going to leak search it, pull a vacuum and charge it back up. Alright, we've got our piercing valve on, so we're going to have to run the center all the way down, and that's literally going to poke a hole in the copper. Then we'll run it back out, and we'll be able to check pressure on the low side. We're going to repeat this for the high side too, and that'll tell us kind of what's going on in the system, whether it's a traditional low charge or whether the cap tube is blocked up. Alright, unit just kicked on. Alright, we got a little bit of trace gas in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up a probe to the high side, and I'm going to pump up the low side with nitrogen, and we will see if we can get any leaks with our Tech leak detector. Alright, we got our Tech leak detector, cloud hunting mode. It's going to give us our ppm. Looks like we got a leaky coil. Alright, now we're pulling a vacuum on the system. I've got low side hooked up to the low side, and I've got high side hooked up to the high side down there.